What is crimping? Crimping cable is the process of connecting the ends of the cable to the connector using a special crimping tool. The aim is to produce a strong connection, safe and mechanically reliable, while ensuring the flow of electricity goes well. This process is widely used in the field of networking, telecommunication, installation, and electricity.
History of crimping. Crimping begins to develop in the 19th century as a solution to connect copper cable in the system, telegraph and electrical communication. Previously, the connection is done with soldering or manual rolling.
Why do you have crimping? Strong and stable connection, efficient signal transfers, safety, neatness and professionalism, and compliance with standards.
Advantage crimping. Strong and durable connection. Time and con efficiency. Stable connectivity. Versatility. Neat and professional result. What are the crimping steps?
First, prepare tools and materials. Here are line cable, RJ45 connector, crimping tool, cable striper, and cable tester. Second, peel the outer layer of the cable. Use a cable striper to remove about 2 until 3 cm of outer insulation, external line cable, and do it carefully. There arrange the wires according to the color standard. There are 2 common wiring standards. Fourth, cut the wires to equal lengths. Tie up the cables by arranging them parallel, and leave a length of about 1 until 50 cm. 5. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connectors. Insert the cable with the pin position facing up. Make sure each cable goes into the slot. Courage and readjust the end of the connector for good connection. 6. Crimp the connectors. Insert the connectors into the crimping tool. Then squeeze the tool until a click sound was heard, which indicates the connectors already installed securely. 7. Test the cable. Use a cable tester to make sure all pins are connected properly and the cable is working properly.
Lack of crimping. Special tools required. Potential pin connection. Limited flexibility. Not suitable for all applications. Maintenance and calibration of turns.